morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning. I decided to sit out on my porch this morning as I take out my hair. I was forced to shampoo my hair yesterday after working in my yard and sweating and sweating. So I'm just gonna sit here now and take these out. Good morning. I've had a difficult time trying to decide what to present in my YouTube videos. It seems like I'm running out of ideas. If you have any ideas about what I could present or a topic for a new video, please let me know. I am going to take out some of these braids off camera so that you don't have to watch this whole thing, and I'll come back to you with the results, or probably right before I take out my last braid. I am also trying to seek out ideas on how I can build this YouTube channel. Right now I have 375 subscribers, and I am so grateful for that. I can remember some months back I was trying to get up to 200 to 250. I have since created an Instagram account, and as a result of my Instagram account, I have some followers there who also decided to subscribe to my channel, and I want to say thank you. If you have any ideas, any other ideas of what else I could do to build this channel, please give me that information in the section below the video in the comments. I'd really appreciate it. I also appreciate my subscribers, especially those that chat with me, comment under my video, give me encouraging words, and uplift me. I have been called Queen. I've been called, the Silver Fox. And I really appreciate it. I appreciate all that you do. So what I'm really asking you to do through this video is to help me build my channel and present relevant content to you. Give me your ideas in the comment section below this video. I am a sister. who loves her locks. I love my subscribers. I love my family and my friends. And I especially love God because He's been so good to me. I realized that this morning I am really calm. I have somewhat I don't know how to explain the feeling that I have right now, but I know that I feel a little, well, I have some concerns. I am concerned about a friend of mine because today she is laying her husband to rest after battling COVID-19 virus for several months. And she's my friend, my classmate, and he's also my classmate. And I know that there are those of you that watch my videos and you're praying people and you have a relationship with God. And so I ask that you pray for her. Pray that she has strength, encouragement, and she's comforted so that she may endure this trying time. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate all that you do. Have a great day.